Painting techniques to avoid stains and blemishes on your walls. Painting a room can be a great way to update the look of your home without spending a lot of money. However, if you're not careful, painting can also lead to stains and blemishes on your walls. Fortunately, with a few simple techniques, you can avoid these problems and achieve a beautiful, flawless finish. Clean the walls. Before you begin painting, it's important to thoroughly clean the walls. Use a mild detergent and warm water to remove any dirt, dust, or grease. If you're painting over a previously painted surface, you may also need to use a degreaser to remove any stubborn stains or buildup. Use a primer. Using a primer is essential for achieving a smooth, even finish. It will help the paint adhere to the wall and prevent stains and blemishes from bleeding through. Apply a coat of primer and let it dry completely before you begin painting. Choose high-quality paint. The quality of the paint you choose can also make a big difference in the final result. Cheap paints may be more likely to show stains and blemishes, and may also require more coats to achieve full coverage. Invest in a high-quality paint that is specifically designed for the surface you are painting. Use proper painting techniques. Using proper painting techniques is key to achieving a flawless finish. Use long, even strokes and apply the paint in a W pattern, then go back over the area with vertical strokes. This will help distribute the paint evenly and prevent streaks or drips. Avoid overloading the brush or roller. Overloading your brush or roller with paint can lead to drips and stains. Instead, dip the brush or roller in the paint and then tap off the excess on the edge of the container. This will help ensure that you're using just the right amount of paint for each stroke. Take your time. Finally, it's important to take your time when painting. Rushing through the process can lead to mistakes and blemishes. Allow each coat of paint to dry completely before applying the next, and be patient as you work your way around the room. By following these simple painting techniques, you can avoid stains and blemishes on your walls and achieve a beautiful, flawless finish. With a little bit of time and effort, you can transform the look of your home and create a space that you'll love spending time in.